What's up, y'all? Airbus 350. Usually I'm on this plane in the back, but today, let's go. I'm excited. This screen is massive. Let's click hello. And just scroll a bit to get to the menu or read a book. What beverage should I try today? Thank you, wine consultant Williams Fu Jr. So many options. I don't know which one to go with, but whatever you enjoy, I'm sure you'll find it. This function here can change your seat configuration. You have a reading seat, 0G position, and a sleepy position. Very cool. And in the hidden closet, you have the Starlux headphones and charger points for a laptop or for your phone, and a remote for your screen. Starlux business class headies. Very, very efficient at canceling noise. Fancy towel. And I got my juice. Tastes rich. So much leg room. I'm so happy. Gin and tonic. That's all I'm having for this flight today. Tastes like luxury. Some delicious French butter. 2 pieces of bread. Let's go. And we also got some very delicious and expensive midday Italian chocolate. Real chocolate. Not super sweet. A little bit bitter. So good. In the lab, we have facial mist and moisturizing lotion. Perfect. Let's hit it. Before we land, had to grab a Asahi Dry. Landed in Hong Kong. I really like the A350 configuration because everybody gets their own suite. So we're all together, but it feels private. That is all for me from the Airbus 350 with Starlux. Thank you so much. Crew was very friendly and they provided great service. I hope to do it again. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hong Kong. I'll see y'all next time. Take care, like and subscribe. Bye-bye.